is national for some reasons. First, that we said that man has a reason, capacity to analyze, to analyze situation, what is what we can analyze an action with using the reason. Second is that man can choose in what is wrong and what is bad, what is right. Because under this, man can search for meaning of life, the meaning of something. And he said that what makes human being happy is that reason is the reason why why human became a rational being, a rational animal, a human being. It is the most important for a man, the reason of what and why humans, why ano na imo siya na human, na man, is because of reason. And he said that we are different from others, because we as humans is very powerful. We can analyze, we can think, choose, not normally answer, but we can depend. It's like the philosophy. We can search for the ultimate cause, meaning of it.
Basis. The basis.
Sa man. Ito yung pag-think mo.
Ha?
And the reason, this is reason.
The basis. Very well.
Ano na ito yung business mo?
Hindi discuss.
Yeah, sa
Ryan.
we are different from others because man can think and go for ultimate cause the reason. That is the reason why we are very lucky. We have senses, but most especially we can have a reason. We can think differently from others. Even though we are individual, man is very individual, but we are very lucky because we have the capacity to give a reason in every situation or something. High five.